What's up, guys? So, right now I just want to show you what I've been working on. I've been working on something else that's obviously outside of the internet. And this is going to be like, like a reference or something to one of Big Hutch's work. And that is that I made a mask in the American flag colors, but one thing, I didn't do the stars and the blue part, I just kept it blue. And I did plan on doing the white and giving the red a heavier coat to make it a little darker, but I decided to just end it there, and thank God I did, because it was about to snow the next day. So, this is what I worked on. This is obviously one of those much cheaper masks on pretty much everywhere, like eBay, Etsy, or Amazon. I didn't have the tools to drill any holes, also to probably fill in these 3 holes. But this is obviously like another part to like Big Hutch's mask, like the American Killer, I think. And what I call this one Rainy Independence. So basically, the story behind this one is that someone forgot to take this. Sorry for my stuttering. That. Alright, Alright, give me a second. The story goes that someone forgot to take this while they are going to go see the fireworks to the marina with their family. And they forgot to bring the mask. And their family won't be back at their house maybe July 5th. And that's why this was like a little dirty and stuff. Again, I did plan to paint it white, but I decided to stop it there. And by the way, this is all acrylic. No spray paint or anything. Yes, the primer is gray acrylic. I do know that the tape on gray acrylic, or acrylic, was drying after you brush it on with, like, from a paper towel, it would start to stick to anything like that's tape. But I sort of kept it like this because, because no matter how we keep things white, anything white that we try to keep clean, it'll end up very dirty. That's why I opted for this look. I know it's a little hard to see, but you can see some little lines right there. Now, how I did that exactly was just dabbing and smudging on some Mod Podge on it. I even did it on the blue. You have to like really see the spots. I know this probably gives the acrylic a little bit more protection, but you could probably just do anything with Mod Podge. Like how I did it. Like I sorta gave it this rainy texture on the mask. Now the direction of the rain droplets was like when I hold it down like this, the major of the drops will be like going this way while some are going in the middle and a little bit off. So yeah, that's basically what I did with this mask. So Big Hush, if you decide to redo your American mask, but also have it from like a rainy day, you can use it as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.